Myself, MD Shahjalal Noman, and I am currently studying at Daffodil International University, Department of Computer Science and Engineering. I completed my SSC from Haji Moinuddin High School with GPA 4.50 and ACC from Puran Bazar University College, Chandpur with GPA 5, both under the Kumilla board. Since beginning my studies at Daffodil International University, I have been decided to building a strong foundation in technology while actively seeking opportunities for personal and professional growth. During my time at Daffodil International University, I have developed a strong understanding of core computer science subject. I am proficient in programming languages like C, Java, Python, and have experience working with web development, database, and algorithm. My classwork has allowed me to deepen my knowledge areas in such as software development, data structure, and problem solving. And I am also explore new fields like artificial intelligence and machine learning. In addition to my studies, I actively participate in programming and other contests organized by DIU, which helped me sharpen my problem solving abilities and test my critical thinking under time pressures. And I am also involved various club, CPC, Cybersecurity Club DIU, and sports activities that have taught me valuable lessons in teamwork, leadership, and determination, qualities that enhance my academic experience. As I continue my studies in computer science, I am excited to apply my knowledge in practical settings and explore internship opportunities. I am passionate about technology and innovation, and I look forward to making meaningful contribution to the industry. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to connecting with you soon.